Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today we are going to learn how to change your Wi-Fi name and the password. So if you are still using the default Wi-Fi name and password that came on the back of your router, your home network may be exposed to security risks. Changing it takes less than 5 minutes, and we can also pick a password that we can actually remember. Let's do it right now. Change the settings. You need to access your router's brain. You need to grab your physical router and look at the sticker on the bottom or at the back. You are looking at two things. One is IP address, which usually starts with 192.168, and the default admin username and password. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, so for example, here I am connected to Telstra BC0606, so I can find the IP address of my router by going into command prompt. So to access the command prompt, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard and type cmd and press enter. Type ipconfig ipconfig and press enter. You can see the IP address of the router, which is the default gateway. Now we will go onto the web browser and then type the IP address 192.168.0.1. We will get the web page where we can enter the username and password. So my username is admin and the password, you can find this information on the router, which is usually at the back or at the bottom. Once I have entered my username and password, I will click on sign in. Once you are inside the router or the dashboard, you don't need to worry about all of these options. You can just find Wi-Fi or SSID and click on this button, Wi-Fi. So here, this is the SSID. So this is my name of my Wi-Fi. I will just rename it to something, okay, wireless network for now, and then I will set up my password as well. Wireless network 123. Once I have renamed my SSID and wireless password, I will click on save and click on close. Once the changes are made, you will be disconnected from your Wi-Fi and you will need to reconnect to the new name. I will now be connected to the wireless network, so the new Wi-Fi name. Now you can see that you are connected to the new Wi-Fi name with a new password.
And thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you in another video. If you have any question, then please do drop a comment. I'll get back to you for sure. Thank you.